What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So today we have something funny. We have this lawnmower seat here. See? Lawnmower seat. And we are going to kind of prank Rick. Not really prank him, but we're going to put him on it and see just how easy it is, because they're easy, but they're actually not easy. No one actually ever wants to do them. So we're going to stick him on it and see how he makes out. Okay, so here comes Rick. He's walking in. I don't know if you see him back there, right? Here he comes. Let's get ready to tease him. This here, it's a lawnmower seat. So we got to, this is the old one.
Yep.
So this is the new one. And he put it on the frame. So all we got to do is pull it over. You want to try to line up the holes here. I would glue it, but you just don't want to get glue all over the seat pan. Just glue this and this. The problem is the glue doesn't really stick well to this. So you're going to have like a one shot. So I would get this pan really positioned where it needs to be first. Like that looks like it needs to be there. And then I would put some glue on here and here, pull this over the hole so it's exactly where it needs to be, and then leave it there. And then this trim ring afterwards has to go through all those holes. So it has to go through, yeah.
The screws go through this, through the material.
Exactly, and it just clamps, it's like a clamshell and just kind of seals it down.
Okay. These are the screws?
Yeah, that's the ones you took off. So you think you're up for this task? I know you had a rough morning.
I'm all right. I'm all right.
Rick, how you making out down there with that? Going together all right? I try to heat them up and stretch them before cutting them. Did you look at the front to make sure it looks good? It is true. My son said you should wear glasses when you're doing work because you look smarter. And right now, Rick does look smarter than Bill. But Bill does have the super smartest glasses possible. Yeah. Can you put your glasses on and then boss Rick around? So Rick, how you doing over there with this tractor seat?
We're doing good.
You enjoying tractor seats?
I am.
Good, bad, easy?
So far, it's not too bad.
Not too bad. You heard it, guys. Rick said not too bad. So pretty much a monkey could do this then.
Pretty much. If I could do it, a monkey could do it.
Compared to the Buick, Rick.
Yeah.
Compared to the Buick, this is a lot easier.
Okay, so we got Rick's about 4.5 hours in on this tractor seat.
It seems that way.
It's getting there, huh? Is those wrinkles coming out that were in there? Oh, they are. There's some pretty deep wrinkles in there, so you're getting it out. Nice, and it's a real Craftsman. Hey, Craftsman, you should sponsor our shop. We need tools.
That's right.
You know, I have a good thing that my father taught me. He says, I would rather have a wall of Craftsman toolboxes than one Snap-on. He says the man makes the tools don't make the man.
This is true.
So Rick, I kind of feel bad because the topic of the video today was giving you the tractor seat to do, because I've done them before and they're easy but hard at the same time. They're very frustrating and challenging.
It is challenging. More challenging than I thought it would be. But I think it came out okay.
What do you got to say to Craftsman? Anything good?
Keep up your design, man. Work on your design team.
He's gonna be happy. Now we can mow the lawn.
Here's the old one.
Oh, I tell you what, mine are usually way worse looking than that.